Heading back to Cannon Mountain after a restful stay at Oconee Ski Club. Said goodbye to my awesome friends there, and my 2 months in New Hampshire is over, and now I'm heading back out to do this New Hampshire to Virginia trip while trying to raise money for the AT communities and everything after the hurricane and the horrific flooding. You can find out all the details about my fundraiser down below in the description. Between Facebook and Instagram so far, we've already raised almost $1,700. As soon as we get on the Eastern Divide route, we get what I love, middle of the woods. We're going to be on a single track for the next little while. But we'll see how everything goes with the bike. Hopefully I'm not too wide. I really need to get smaller panniers because my pannier's only half full, but they stick out really far. So, but, oh well. We'll just take it easy, and when it gets tight, just go slow. We are flying. Holy cow. Man, that is absolutely beautiful. Holy cow. Definitely making up some time now. that single track slowed me way down because there's a lot of hiking, biking in a lot of places. But it was still an awesome ride. But yeah, we've just been on some really steep back roads and gravel roads. But yeah, it's been hardly any traffic. It's been real quiet. And we ain't got too much further, and we'll be on another rail trail and then the cross Vermont trail. Made it to, do not know the name of this rail trail, but we made it to it. And I ran into somebody that follows me. He was commenting, whoa. Need to pay attention where I'm going. Yeah, I was saying, he follows me on, I think, Facebook, right?
Yeah, I do, yeah.
Made it to Vermont. Awesome. Yes, I've basically rode all the way across New Hampshire in all kinds of different ways after the White Mountains tour. And now we're in one of my favorite states, Vermont. They're awful nice to hikers, so let's see how they are to bikers. Around 302 for a little bit. Again for a little ways. Well, actually a long ways this time.